emergency for Lincoln and Moore counties. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency, Nashville, Tennessee. Dark River Electric customers will be without power for about 4 hours beginning 12 a.m. on Sunday, September 22nd. The outage will affect all of Moore County and part of Lincoln County around Boonville. The outage will allow Dark River and DVA to perform system maintenance. If you rely on medical equipment dependent on electricity, have a plan to maintain use of your equipment during the outage. Charge your cell phones. Cordless phones will not work during the power outage. Unplug computer, televisions, and sensitive electronics. Notify your home security company. Know how to manually operate garage doors and electric gates. Minimize opening refrigerator and freezer doors during the outage. If you have a generator, make sure it has been installed properly. Check to make sure all heat-producing appliances such as stoves, toaster ovens, and irons are turned off. If electricity is required to run your water or to refill your toilet for flushing, have a reserve of water on hand prior to the plant power outage. Never use a gas range, indoor cooking,